Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sharnice and welcome back to Simply Nikla. So for today's video, I decided to do something a little different and I'm going to do a review of a nail product. The product today that I'm going to review is the Kiss product of the Salon Dip Professional Dipping System. And so I am going to go through the instructions and the process that they are given in this box because I wanted to show you the process of if you want to do this yourself. Here's what my experiences was and my complications or whatever that's going to happen, and then after I do everything, I'm going to give you my review and my final thoughts of what I think about this product and this whole process. Whew, a lot of information, but before we get started, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also give me a like while you're down there as well. But other than that, let's get started with this video. Okay, hello. So this is the Kiss product of their Salon Dip Professional Dipping System package. This is what it looks like, and this is what all that comes in it. First, we got nail tips that comes in the box. There's white nail tips, and there's more like a lesser white nail tips that you can choose from and put it on your nails. You can also do this whole process on your actual natural nails, so you don't have to even bother with putting nail tips on, but you have that choice. There's also the dipping powder that also comes in this nail kit. We have this nice gray spongy sponge. We have this brush on gel solution. We have 2 spare brushes that if your brush gets messed up, you have a spare one. And there's also a cuticle pusher. In this area, we have the activator stuff we have to put on. Then we have the jar container where you're going to put the dipping stuff in, and then right at the bottom there is a filing and a buffer plate, and then lastly is the instructions. And lastly, I wanted to show something exciting onto the camera than just like a plain white powder. I got this nice silvery shiny disco ball powder. Going to apply that onto the nail. So this is what I'm starting with. I have pretty short nails at the moment, and the side that I'm going to do my nails on, which is my right hand, and they're pretty short nails. So first I'm going to pick out my nail tips that I'm going to put on my nails and see which one fits for my nail and kind of fix the edges of the nail tips so it's not so hanging over onto my skin around my nail. Before I put my tips on and doing that whole process of putting them on, I already had from Gelish Soak Off Gel Polish the pH Bond, which is like a nail prep to dehydrate your nails, and that will make the application process a little bit better because you don't want all that oil onto your nail. Once I have figured all of that out, the next step is to apply the brush on gel on the back of the nail tip in the area where your nail is going to be placed. You are going to slowly lower the tip on your natural nail and hold firmly until set. And then you're going to repeat for each nail. After I applied my nails and got my Cardi B and Billie Eilish length feel to me going on for a moment, I went ahead and filed down the nails to my desired length, or clipped them down with my nail clipper to the desired length and filed them and perfected them how I want them to begin.
Got enough of every man.
Okay, so from next step on, if you want to do this on your natural nails, you can, or if you want to use the tips, this is what you're supposed to do. But if you want to use your natural nails with this dip system, you can, and this is where you start doing this process. So now you want to pour the dipping powder into like a nice little cute container. Then the next step, you want to make sure to avoid your cuticles or around the skin area, and you want to apply a coat of the brush on gel over of the entire surface area of one nail, and then you want to go in right immediately, dip into that dipping powder, and carefully dip your finger in there by sliding it forward and then tapping off any of the excess powder in the tray as well. And then you want to repeat this with all of your nails. Now with that nice cute little gray sponge that was given to us, we are going to gently dust off the loose powder on all of the rest of the nails. Now you want to go back in with that brush on gel and apply a second coat, but this time you want to make sure to wipe off your brush onto like a napkin or like a Kleenex, and to make sure you brush it off before you dip it back into the bottle, so all that powder won't be on the brush. Then you want to repeat the steps by brushing it on and then dip it immediately into the powder again, and then do that for every nail. Now I want to go in and apply that powder, that gray powder that I showed before at the beginning, and I'm going to do that same process, applying that brush on gel again, and then immediately dip it into the bottle with that gray powder, and then doing that for every nail. The next step is you want to avoid the skin area again, and you want to apply a generous amount of activator on all of your nails.
Baby, why can't you sleep at?
Then at this point you want to file down and shape and buff and smooth and everything, and then you want to remove the dust afterwards.
Hit me, or is it you? Is it you?
Next up, you want to apply the activator substance again onto all of the nails.
To cross this great divide, your feelings come and go, but I still love you so.
And then you want to apply another coat on top of everything, and apply the brush on gel stuff and apply it on top of the nail. That will consist of being the top coat, and you let that air dry, and it will dry and it'll be this certain way. Everything should be done, and so let's go into my final thoughts of what I think about this product. So in result, my nails are pretty thick. Even though I used that filer here and this buffer, it didn't get down to how much I wanted to get down, and it just left it pretty thick. And I wanted to use only the stuff that was in this product, because if you are buying this, that's what you only use. There's no guarantees you will have a drill at home if you don't really do this every day, or you don't do this constantly like I do. I do have a drill, but I just want to use what stuff is in this dip kit. So my nails are pretty little thick, and I mean, it could be my error of what I didn't do right in the whole process, but it is thick, and I wish it was just a little thinner. And I think at the end it doesn't look too bad, especially for my first time, or I'm not professionally who do this all the time, like this dip system all the time. And I think it's pretty good for my first time go around, and I really need to do this more to perfect my skill of doing this. All in all, I really like this look. On the box it says it's good for 1 to 2 weeks, so that's really great as well. And yeah, besides the thickness, that's the only issue that I really have about this product, and I think it's really cool and fun, and it's really exciting to do this type of different nail technique, because I never have done this before myself, so it's pretty cool to do. Thank you so much for watching. If this was a good video for you guys, go down below and like this video. And if you want more nail videos and some more self-experience nail design videos, you can go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, or go to my channel and check out some more videos. That will be great. I really appreciate that. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you back next week with something exciting and cool. Bye.
Do you do, 'cause I'm feeling so good.